No introduction needed. You guys see by the title of this video, we have another Mustang driver here, giving all of the other Mustang drivers a bad name, okay? Not all Mustang drivers crash, all right? I'm gonna knock on wood when I say this because my Mustang looking at me. So we have another video. This guy was filming on his 360 camera. Let's get into it. Let's see what happened to make this guy crash his brand new Mustang. You gotta mess up pretty bad.
Ah, you good?
All right, so right off the bat, you can see that they're at like a shopping mall or something like that. You got the 360 camera on the back of it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a blacked out Mustang. Y'all know I got a thing for the blacked out Mustangs, I really do. Bro, that guy right there is standing really close. Like, this guy has no fear in his heart. Because if I see Mustang headlights headed towards me, I'm getting out the way, but that's just me.
Under the gas. Play with it, you can feel what I'm surrounded. No, nobody gonna jump.
All right, so here we see the lineup of cars, and I'm sorry. If you have the best car out of the lineup, you need to go on home. You got too much to risk. Like, I'm looking at the lineup, I think that's a S550, we got a S650, and we got some regular traffic. I won't lie, like nothing here seems very special. I think there's a BMW on the end over there, but these look like family sedans, bro. Like, come on.
Ooh, that is a little zesty.
Again, this guy was over here risking his life for the shot. You gotta respect it.
You did your thing!
Got the support team.
Things like that, the noise sliders are
All right, so honestly, if this was me, I would have already been home. Like, we doing donuts, burnouts, fireworks, all this stuff. You gotta expect the cops is gonna come at some point.
Hey, time to go, time to go!
As I say that, you see police right there in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. They're about to pull up on them. Dang, so right there, we got this guy getting cut off by a Honda Fit. Bro, go home. If the meat consists of Honda Fits and SUVs, that doesn't begin with track and ends in Hawk, you gotta leave. I'm not gonna lie, shout out to the Insta360 X4. That thing hit the tree and kept on pushing. And if you guys ever driven with something like this on the back of your car, trust me when I say I'll be looking back every 4 seconds to make sure this thing doesn't fall. I'll be so paranoid. Bro, like, look at the cars he's there with. Like, it's a pickup truck, a Honda Fit, and another Mustang. Just go home. If the meats are all fire cars, like, what is this meat, bro? I'm sorry.
Hey, you saw me go off-roading?
Yes, bro.
I said, fuck that shit.
All right, so at this point in the video, they literally go to another spot and they just continue to do the same thing again. Like, bro, at what point do you just learn maybe it's best for me to go home? Like, I'm a strong believer of, you know, I got one of these cars, you're trying to have fun, you know what I'm saying? You with your boys, everything's cool. But at the same time, it's like, bro, at a certain point in time, if it's hot, it's hot. You know, go home, come out another day. Okay, I can see now that the women's is out, you know, when women are out. Guys tend to act a little differently, but let's see how this is gonna go.
Hey.
I'm not even gonna lie, bro. If I don't know you and you come up to my car and you're not a kid asking, can you spin it? That's gonna be a hard no. I'm sorry.
Bro, I keep hearing my fucking name, bro. What the fuck?
Casual crash out.
I'm trying. He about to go.
And I'm not gonna lie, of course, bruh starts, you know what I'm saying, he starts doing his thing for the women, because the women's is out. So he got this is the most cleanest lines donuts I've been seeing in a long time. This man took his skill to another level, you know? He was just like, the girls is out, I gotta be clean, I gotta be clean. This is exactly the women you want around your car. Bro, like, again, I'm sorry, I don't mean to hype this up, but like, look at the cars like that's hyping him up, bro. Like, we have the Jeep Liberty or whatever the thing is. I don't even know. Then we have like the Toyota RAV4, a Honda Accord, and a Kia. Like, bro, just go home, bro. It's not worth it. Like this girl, because he started going crazy. I'm not gonna lie, bro must have really liked this girl because he started going insane style crazy. I'm talking about, we see all the tire smoke, all that thing.
That's the best part. It has a 15-inch fucking
I don't give a fuck. That bitch was tired.
Y'all had like a time fix with your hair.
Yeah, brother, I had a good ass time. Bitch, I thought I was a motherfucking jet.
Hey, this bitch yet? This plate?
Hey, hit your plate.
Bro, I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't even know you could fit this much people inside of a Mustang. Like, legitimately, I have the same car, just a lot older, y'all know, but like, dang, bro. It's hard for me to fit 3 people in my car. I swear, this looked like a clown car the way everybody was coming out.
Oh, the Benny, you got the Benny split?
Yeah, that shit goes black. That's tough.
All right, guys. Rule number 1, if you ever want to do fun stuff like this with your car, like donuts and stuff like that. Rule number 1, never do this in a crowd. The reason why is because you tend to get in more trouble when there's a lot of people. And 2, just have your fun and then jump the gun. Like, you gotta head out. Like, you can't be over here staying for 10, 20 minutes doing this stuff. And all these other cars in the area, they're not really in trouble because they're just there. You know, the cops at most are gonna be like, you just gotta leave. Like, you really think they're gonna tow the Honda Accord for doing donuts? Nah, he good. He going home.
Huh? What you want me to do?
Hey, this our friend again. You spinning again?
This is the big, yo, listen, do not let the huzz get you in trouble. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Like, literally, this is a brand new car. You know how much tires cost, man? Listen, we're not even gonna get into it.
All right, come on. Let me get in this bitch, please.
Yo, begging is crazy, all right? Begging is crazy. This is why I say, don't put yourself in these type of situations and you won't have to deal with the repercussions, because, like, bro, this is sad. You begging to go in another person's car so they can do donuts. Come on.
You're done. Me.
Okay, he's
All right,
fine.
fuck.
He's fine. He said something.
All right, spin.
Yo, y'all see how the donuts become ass as soon as women's not in the car? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Oh, that's not good. Oh, this is not a scene you want to see as a Mustang. This guy was this guy was in the crowd. The crowd is running from the Mustang, not the police, trust me. This girl in the pink don't even know to go, to come. She don't know nothing. Crashed in front of the same girls you was trying to impress. It's not a good look. So basically that's the whole wrecked his new Mustang. And trust me, I think the insurance company is going to find this video and be like, bro, you can't be serious. Why would you? Like, I understand people post things because they get clout off of this stuff. Like, it was blowing up my social media. I was seeing this all over. Yo, it's crazy to me how this guy just literally pulls up the handbrake and just comes out the car. Like, if this was in New York City, they are visibly telling you what to do. Like, they're like, get on the ground, turn your back towards me, walk back slowly, put on, like, they're telling you, go on all fours and stuff like that. It's crazy. This man literally just pulled up his handbrake like I crashed and just walked up to the police, bro. Bro, look how much other cars were in that lot, and only one of them was like another Mustang and a Camaro SS. All of it is daily traffic, bro. And you're the one guy that gets clapped. You're like, bro, this man's license is cooked. And if you guys don't know, later on in the video, the cops say it too. He literally hit the Honda Accord, the Honda Civic that he hit it had a pregnant lady in the car, bro. Rest in peace to this man's license. He over there talking about, I'm sorry. Bro, how did you crash? Like, if we go back and look at this video, this man, all he had to do was slow down. Like, legit. Like, there's a car in front of you. You know there's a car in front of you. There's, like, literally two cars. You don't have to gun it like that, bro. Like, literally just let the Civic go. Albeit, the Civic was moving like a Prius. But just let the car go, and then you just go after them. Like, then they took off the Vantage plate. That's another ticket.
99 Tom Henry Edward. Boy, I don't.
Ready to just code for the whole thing. It's like, why?
Yeah, he was in the back. He was all doing donuts. So yeah, so we pulled up. He sped off. And,
Did you guys hear that? Literally, the cops just said that they were getting ready to just say, you know, whatever, just let the cars go as long as they just clear it out. And this guy literally wrecked his car, potentially injured a whole bunch of people for no reason. The cops weren't even trying to arrest him. That's probably the reason why they don't have any handcuffs now, or maybe they do, I don't know. But like, literally, this guy wrecked his whole car that, let's be honest, it probably isn't even finished getting paid off. But like, he literally wrecked this whole car For nothing.
So he crashed while he was trying to speed off.
Yeah, get off. Because we flipped on our lights so everybody could like disperse and then
Well, that's my plan was. To be honest, I was just going to code 4 the whole thing. It's like we're so busy. It's like unless
Yo, somebody got to give these cops a reality TV show.
Man, oh man. Whoever did this is
Not the new stage,
done
man.
for, bro. Damn, this is a nice car too. They got the little cover on the back too.
Then this cop talking about, yo, I'm gonna take this for me. This mine. All right, so that's basically the whole video. After this, the guy goes and talks about like, oh, how he messed up and blah, 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 whatever. Honestly, I don't want to hear it. Like, what's done is done. He did something stupid. But if you guys want to follow him, help him get his feet back, help him get another Mustang, his YouTube is 5.0 ME or M-I-O, 5.0 MIE. If you guys want to follow him, show him some love. Yes, he did a dumb thing at the end of the day, but he did, you know, own up to it, I guess, which is at the end of the day, that's all you really could do. But yeah, if you guys like this video, just don't crash your Mustang. Just please. We already have so much stereotypes going on about Mustangs. We're crowd killers. We always crash our Mustang. We don't know how to do this. We don't, like, literally just, if you can, don't do it. So this is AR Car Reviews. I hope you guys drive safe. Be safe out there. And if you have a new Mustang, don't try to impress people, especially the us. All right. Take care. AR out.
What we do here is go back.